just in time for the 4th. I'm gonna get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna head down to the waterfront, start seeing how the crowd's gonna be looking for tonight. You know, guys, sometimes when you get into a new place or a place that you just happen to love, like Seattle, and you know you shouldn't be eating 2 scoops of Bonanza with fudge brownie in a waffle cone, but you stop at Cupcake Royale and you do it anyway, that's the good stuff right there. So I went down to the waterfront and I hit Elliott's, had a major huge dinner, which the last time I ate that good was in San Fran. Thanks again, Dad, for treating. That was awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna head down to the park and try and see some fireworks.